Forgotten username recovery failed on Qapital App Fix. If recovering your Qapital username hasn't worked, most people make the mistake of rushing the process or using an outdated email. The surprising truth is that with the right steps, you can regain access quickly and securely. Step 1. Open the Qapital app and tap on Forgot Username. Enter the email linked to your account. Qapital will send a recovery email containing your username or a secure link to reset your login credentials. Step 2. Check all email folders, including spam, junk, and promotions. Recovery emails often get filtered automatically. Sending multiple requests too quickly can temporarily lock your account. Step 3. If your registered email is no longer active, gather verification details such as your full name, date of birth, phone number, and recent transactions. Contact Qapital support directly using this information. Providing details about your recent deposits or linked bank accounts can speed up verification. Step 4. Once your username is restored, store it securely in a password manager. Enable two-factor authentication to add an extra layer of protection and prevent future login issues. Following these steps ensures you regain access to your Qapital account efficiently, keeping your financial goals and daily savings uninterrupted. Proper verification and credential management are essential for smooth and secure access.